Hi friends, my name is Emily. I'm an educator here at COSI, and today we are talking about electromagnets. So if you're like me, you really love roller coasters. I've been on a ton of roller coasters. So some roller coasters, when you go up that first hill, it's really slow, you're being lifted up. But other roller coasters, you get shot out from the station right from the start, and that is thanks to electromagnets. So I have this really cool ring toss right here. And when I press this button, I am taking the electricity, I have it plugged into the wall, and I'm creating a magnetic field. Now, I have an aluminum ring right here, and aluminum is really cool because it is not permanently magnetic, but it is a really great conductor of electricity. So when I conduct electricity through here, it actually becomes magnetic. So when I put it on here and I create that magnetic field, those magnets want to repel away from each other, and we're gonna see what happens when I create that magnetic field. Ready? Here we go. It goes flying in the air just like you would be shot out of a station on a roller coaster.